3 T's that rebuild muscle strength. After 60, your muscles start disappearing faster than you think. But what if I told you there are 3 simple T's found in most kitchens that can actually rebuild muscle, fight weakness, and give you back the strength of your younger years? Stay with me till the end, because the last T might surprise you. It's been called the strength of a horse for thousands of years. The problem few seniors know: every year after 60, the average person loses about 1 to 2% of their muscle. That's why stairs feel harder, joints ache more, and balance becomes risky. Doctors call it sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength. But here's the good news. Research shows certain herbal teas don't just slow muscle loss, they can help your body rebuild it. Tea number 1, ginger turmeric tea. Let's start with one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories in nature, ginger turmeric tea. Chronic inflammation is the #1 enemy of aging muscles. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound so effective it's compared to prescription drugs. Add ginger, and you've got better circulation and faster recovery. Here's a quick hack. Sprinkle a little black pepper into your cup. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. But fighting inflammation is only the first step. The real challenge? Keeping your energy and stamina high. That's where our second T comes in. Tea number 2, ginseng green tea. If you want energy without the crash, ginseng green tea is your best friend. Green tea provides gentle caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine, which keeps you calm but focused. Combine that with ginseng, a natural energy booster, and you get more stamina, sharper balance, and even better brain power. In fact, one study found seniors who drank green tea daily had a 31% lower risk of losing mobility. Drink this in the late morning, when your energy usually dips. It helps you stay active through the day instead of feeling drained by lunchtime. Now, if you think energy is important, wait until you hear about the final T. This one doesn't just give energy. It literally helps rebuild muscle strength. Tea number 3, ashwagandha tea. This last tea has been used in Ayurveda for over 3,000 years. It's called ashwagandha tea, nicknamed the strength of a horse. Why? Because modern studies show it actually increases muscle mass and grip strength, even in older adults. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that eats away at muscle tissue. Lower stress, better recovery, stronger muscle. Have it at night before bed. That's when your body does the most rebuilding, while you sleep. So here's your daily routine. Ginger turmeric in the morning for inflammation. Ginseng green tea late morning for stamina. Ashwagandha at night for strength and recovery. 3 simple teas, no expensive powders, no complicated diets, just nature's pharmacy in your cup. Because aging should never mean weakness, it should mean wisdom, resilience, and the freedom to live strong every single day.